Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a brand new to the channel box called Gadget Club. When they reached out, I was just like, yes. My husband's a super gadget geek. I feel like for a girl, I'm pretty into gadgets. And so I was like, tell me more, let's see more. So they sent me a box. Gadget Club is a monthly subscription where they send you 3 gadgets per box, 1 main gadget and 2 mini gadgets. It is $49.95 a month. They do offer prepaid discounts. If you use code ThePinkEnvelope, you get $10 off your first box. They have free worldwide shipping, and every gadget that comes in here comes with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day return policy. So they really do want you to love the gadgets that you are getting. I've been told, I asked them, I was like, who buys this? And they told me this is purchased mostly by men or significant others and gifted over to sons, uncles, dads, grandfathers, etc. But I'm pretty gadget loving, so I'm wanting to see if maybe this is something that I would enjoy or if I'm gonna end up relinquishing it to Jonathan. We've unboxed a few of these more gadget type boxes and they are always so much fun. Subscription boxes come in different forms, right? There are subscription boxes you get because they're fulfilling a need, like something you need to get on a regular basis to take care of a certain thing. Then there are subscription bases you get for fun, like Gadget Club, that like literally you just want that little bit of happy showing up each month to have fun with. And then there's a kind of that in between, like these boxes that solve needs. They're fun, but then maybe also they save you money because there's a really great value, or they save you time because they go shopping for you. So subscription boxes have different categories. This one definitely falls into the fun category. Okay, on top we have a bubble mailers because they do have the return. So I guess if we need to make any swaps, we do have a bubble mailer ready to go. Oh, let me tell you this. This is a spoiler. I didn't find out like what month or when it comes, so this is a spoiler. So I don't know if it's next month. I can't promise if you subscribe right now, you're gonna get this box. They sent it to me and said, hey, it's a spoiler box from an upcoming month. So I like to give that heads up, and every box is a little bit different. Hey, John.
What?
You want to join me for a video?
Okay.
Pull up a chair. Okay. So this is a box called Gadget Club. It's a monthly subscription that sends gadgets, 3 gadgets per box, 1 main gadget, 2 mini gadgets. Every gadget comes with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day return policy. So they want everybody to love what they are getting.
A gadget.
Gadget. And so I opened it. It was like, I wonder if it's going to be for me or if it's going to be for you. And it's definitely your type. So it felt silly to open it by myself. So.
All right.
Open your gadget.
Oh my gosh. That's so random.
I already let them peek at it.
Oh, you've already. Okay.
Yeah.
A drone?
There's a mini drone in here.
An app-controlled mini drone?
The Everyday Fly Cam, 4K HD camera, APP control, 1 key takeoff.
Oh my gosh, it's like a straight ripoff of like the DJI Mavic, but it's so light.
Is
there
it super
a battery?
light?
Or does it take AA's?
I don't know. This has something to do with separate. I don't know.
It's my first thing. It's like, where's the battery go? Oh no, there's a little bitty.
Emma's gonna be so excited about this.
Really cool.
My oldest was just asking, Daddy, have you gotten a new drone recently? Is there one that I can play with? She's gonna freak out.
She's gonna freak out.
Because she can practice with this one.
Yeah, that's fun.
Isn't that super cute? And it has
charger.
So do you use a phone app or this guy?
So it looks, I'm guessing, okay, yeah, so you put your phone
Oh.
there. So the phone is the video.
That is cool. I'm glad I brought him in here. I would have never in a million years pulled the bottom off of that.
Very interesting. I'm really curious to see how good of quality it is.
Well, it says 4K HD.
Yeah.
Right?
Definitely need to test it out and take out.
Play with it?
Yeah.
So what are these? Guards? Like, Those go in here guards, so you won't bump into a wall.
Oh yeah, wow, that's nice. Wow.
And these are backup blades, I guess, right here. So it has 4 guards, 2 backup blades. Is this a charging? Oh,
yep,
no.
charging
Oh wait,
cable.
here's more blades. Here's 4 backup blades, charging cable.
This is great because now we can actually play with it inside.
It has a carrying case. It has all the instructions right here on everything. Very, very cool.
Yep, definitely excited. Got to try this out.
So there's that.
Oh yeah,
Then
there's
it
more.
has-
A Game Box Mini.
Isn't that super
It's
cute?
all
Get it real
in-
close so they can see it. You're so far away, it's gonna be hard.
Sorry, it's all in
It's like
Chinese.
too tiny.
What kind of games is it?
I don't know. It's so cute.
26 games. Tank battle, race car, challenge memory, shooting game, frog cross. So it's like old school, like arcade, like top looking down type.
Emma's gonna love that
Emma's
also.
gonna love that.
Okay, so I'm thinking kids. Like, obviously, husbands, guys, men. That made me feel so happy. But kids, you guys, my oldest, my 10-year-old, will be freaking out for this. This is it. So there's one other item in here, which we already have one of these, and we use it all the time.
Monocular.
A monocular.
Good. Now Emma can have her own, and I can
Get your own. They have to share the one we have right now, which also came in the subscription box. So now you each have your own. But, so, drone, mini game box, and a monocular. How much do you think this box is?
$100.
$49.
What?
You could reasonably subscribe to it for a kiddo without it being overwhelming. I think this is pretty cool. It's monthly.
It's monthly? Wow.
Or in the case like you and Emma could share. We need to put that with our camping kit. That is so much fun. And this guy's, okay, I'm not advocating this. I'm gonna get Betty in trouble, but they can hang from their backpack. It has a little keychain or hang from a keychain.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Okay, well, I'm super impressed. If you have hung in here this long, I'm very happy to tell you this is a giveaway box. If you want to enter to win your very own Gadget Club box, you must subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then comment below who you would gift this to. Is it for yourself? Is it for your son? Is it for your daughter, your husband, your neighbor? What they would love about it. And I will draw one name to ship a box to. Side notes for the giveaway. You must be located in Canada or the United States to enter this giveaway. And you must be over the age of 18. All right. I didn't know what to expect, but this is a little bit better than what I anticipated.
All right, well, I'm definitely going to charge this up, and let's go ahead and see how it flies.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Let's go play.
Okay, so we took the drone out to the front yard to play with it. I wasn't quite sure how it would work because it's with wind and stuff, but it actually flew really well. I've been flying drones for a long time. I've had $2,000 drones, I've had $20 drones, I've had $100 drones, and this is probably the best drone I've ever flown that didn't cost $2,000. It flies really well, the control is great, it's an awesome little drone. The camera quality on it is terrible though. It says 4K, there's no way it's 4K, and it's really kind of slow and laggy, but you know, it's a cool feature, especially for being such an inexpensive drone. Definitely a lot of fun. With the little guards on it, you can actually fly it inside, so that's cool too. Yeah, it's a cool little drone.
Wow, a really good recovery.
Okay, you guys, that is super, super cool. I love when boxes find me. I spend a lot of time researching boxes, but like, this is a worldwide company. They're not even in like my normal turf I'm looking for. If you want to subscribe to Gadget Club, go grab that coupon code. And if you have already subscribed to Gadget Club, comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Tell us what you got in your box and what you've done with it and all that kind of good stuff, because this is a new box around here and we're interested in learning more. All right, you guys, I hope that you are having a truly wonderful day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye, y'all.